You're watching livingpianos.com. Robert Estrin here with such an extraordinary German piano. How many of you have heard of Ibach, the venerable German company? And this piano is from 1911, the original ivory keys, the original glorious soundboard. The woods available in Germany at that time were just spectacular, as you'll hear in this beautifully restored piano, rebuilt with new pinblock strings, damper felts. The action has been redone as well. The piano looks and plays like it did when it was made. Such an extraordinary instrument. I've got three different styles for you, starting with just the very opening of Bach's Toccata in E minor, just to get a little bit of a flavor. Then I'll tell you more about the piano. Such a beautiful opening to a great work. I have a complete performance of it you can check out in the description. So, what piano demo would be complete without some Chopin? I'm just going to play the opening section to his heroic B-flat minor scherzo. Listen to this and the beautiful melody and how the piano, you can't get a harsh sound out of this piano, and yet the subtlety of expressions you'll hear later in some Mozart. So stay for that. What do you think of that sound? I find it to be really rich and warm, and I'm enjoying playing it. And you know what the real mark of a great piano is? The sustain of tone. Listen to this gorgeous slow movement for Mozart's Sonata in C major, not the famous one. That's the 545 Kurschel. This is the K330. The first movement starts like this. But I'm going to play the gorgeous second movement. I'm going to play the whole movement except without repeats. And you'll hear so many different tonal colors. And I'm going to see how far I can stretch the pianissimos in this. Because, you know, when a piano is really regulated well and you've got a good action, the control is really remarkable. I'm going to put it through its paces and see how it performs for you. So now, I took extreme measures to see how far I could take the tones of this piano. And you notice every single note played, no matter how extraordinarily quietly I played. Isn't that a pleasure? And on the other flip side, when I played that scherzo, I didn't hold back. You know, sitting right here in this room are 6 contragrands, that's right. Steinway, Baldwin, Chickering, all sorts of 9-foot pianos. And I was playing this piano no differently from how I would let loose on a full contragrand. And what did you think of that sound? Leave them in the comments here on livingpianos.com. We are your online piano store. I'm Robert Estrin. Thanks again for joining me.